Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
To start playing Styx's classic Renegade, first ensure your guitar is in standard tuning, E-A-D G-B-E. We'll dive right into the instantly recognizable main riff. This riff primarily uses power chords, often starting with a 3rd fret power chord on the low E string. Pay close attention to your strumming hand to achieve the correct rhythm and feel, incorporating palm muting for a tight, percussive sound. Practice slowly at first, ensuring each chord rings out clearly before increasing your speed. Moving into the verse, you'll encounter a series of open and power chords that provide a slightly different texture. Focus on clean transitions between these chords to maintain the song's flow. The pre-chorus then introduces a new set of chords, building anticipation for the powerful chorus. You might use 3-finger power chords in certain areas for a fuller sound. Practice these sections together to ensure a seamless progression, paying attention to the dynamics as the song builds intensity. The chorus brings back that powerful, driving feel with chords that resonate strongly, often using power chords like G, a sharp, C, and D. For the solo, it's a fantastic opportunity to showcase your lead guitar skills. James Young's solo is quite melodic and features some signature Styx licks, often blues-based. Break it down into smaller 2 to 4 measure phrases. Focus on accuracy and tone, gradually increasing your tempo as you become more comfortable with each part, incorporating bends and pull-offs. To truly capture the Renegade sound, incorporate techniques like palm muting, especially during the main riff and heavier sections. This adds a percussive, tight quality. Consistent practice with a metronome is crucial for developing precise timing and rhythm. Finally, listen to the original recording often. Pay attention to the nuances, dynamics, and overall feel to make your rendition as authentic as possible. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to consistent practice for best results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.